And it's Sunday. I hope you had a great week. We're about to start a new one here, in case you forgot what day it is. We got a good Sunday warm-up and workout for you today. Okay, so we're going to go into a 3-minute run, bike, or row. Okay, so whichever one you want. You could do all three. You could do one of them. Just movement in place for 3 minutes. This is really just a warm-up, kind of like in class when we start off jumping on the bikes for 2 minutes or the rowers for 2 minutes. This is just to get your heart rate up, get the blood flowing, wake you up. Okay, here we are, 2 rounds of plank work. So we got a 30-second right, 30-second left, up, down, plus 2 push-up. Okay, so that's 1 rep is jump back into a tall plank, perform 2 push-ups, then jump forward into an air squat stance and stand tall. So you're going to go down, do 1, 2, jump back up. Okay, then 10 alternating dead bugs. Watch the movement demos for these. This is often performed incorrectly, so make sure you're doing it the right way. Okay, let's get into our workout. All right, for our workout, we got an EMOM, a 21-minute, every minute on the minute workout here. Okay, as most of you know, on the minute you complete that amount of work, then you get to rest till the next minute starts or the next round starts. Okay, so minute 1, we are doing max up and downs. Now, it says max, but give yourself 10-second transition time. So it's really 50 seconds of up downs. Take a breather, and then go into 10 single arm backpack suitcase deadlifts, okay? So this can be a dumbbell too. So a suitcase just means it's off to the side. So it's not in front of you like a normal deadlift would be. A suitcase is off to the side like you're picking a suitcase up off the ground, okay? Just 1 arm. So you're gonna do 10 on the left, 10 on the right. Do your best to try and let the dumbbell or the backpack hit the ground. If you can't do that without flexing your back or compensating in some way, just stop at the knees, okay? Make sure that all the requirements of deadlift are still met. You're using your posterior chain, you're pushing your hips back, and the dumbbell or the backpack or the weight that you're using is staying in line with your body, okay? Minute 3 is a max plank hold. Again, give yourself 10 seconds of transition time. So it's really hold that plank for a maximum of about 50 seconds. Give yourself 10 seconds to get back into the up downs, okay? So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, back to the beginning for 21 minutes. That means 7 rounds, okay? So 3 times 7 is 21, right? So we'll just keep going with this. All right, now, if you need to take a break at any point, if you feel like you're getting out of it, just take this max plank as a rest period. So take that full minute off to breathe and then get back into the rest of the work, okay? There's no finisher today. This is all the work we got. It's 21 minutes of pure fun. Hope you had a great weekend. We'll get ready for Monday tomorrow. And be sure to check Wodify for any schedule changes or announcements for our Zoom classes. Next are movement demos.